Tech School Educational Institution. For short, we can call it Tech School Education, or you say Tech School. It's a proper institution of technology and entrepreneurship education for kids, teenagers, and young adults. And in this school, we offer courses that help to build the learners who undergo these courses, build them to the point of mastery. Usually, amongst elementary schools, you would hear a lot about coding and robotics. A lot of you learners, you hear it in your school every single day. Parents, I'm sure this is equally not a concept you are new to. Now, as much as that is interesting, at Tech School we discovered that the concept of coding and robotics that is popular amongst elementary schools was an early intervention to introduce tech to our children. That's what I always call it, an early intervention. But that concept only began to suggest that technology is all about sciences, that technology is all about engineering, right? And that is wrong, because there is the art of technology, there is also the science of technology. Technology is both science and technology is arts as well. So there are those who are science inclined in terms of their behaviors and likes and dislikes. There are those who are arts inclined. There are some of you learners who are listening to me right now that are going to be doctors. Some are going to be lawyers. Some are going to be engineers. Some are going to be accountants. Some are going to be teachers. Some are going to be politicians, right? So this is a very mixed crowd, and in each and every one of these career paths you are to choose, excellence is expected. But guess what else is going to be required in each of these career paths you're going to need? It's technology. A strong foundation in practical technology is something that you would always need regardless of your career path. Because what tech does is to supercharge. Tech on its own means nothing. It supercharges a career. So whether you want to be a doctor, you want to be a lawyer, or you just want to be a computer scientist, a software engineer, or something that gets to build softwares for several sectors, you need technology. All right. And that is where Tech School decided to bridge the gap, and we decided to create a school that offers the proper experience, because we found out that the coding and robotics concept changes the experience of technology for the children. So that is where we came up with the idea to build a proper institution to properly teach the art of technology and the science of technology. So we designed faculties and we designed courses, and we are still currently developing and designing even more courses. These are one year long courses. So usually the way a year course goes is that you would study in terms. So it works with your existing academic schedule. So you have first term, second term, third term, each of the term comprising 3 to 4 months. Now, when you complete a course, we have different things in the entire structure of delivery to ensure that that course is delivered properly. So one is that the lessons are practical, they are virtual, like you already know. Fridays and Saturdays, this is for the usual learning session, right? And then when you complete that program for 1 year, you are mandated to go through 2 very important processes. Number one, you would have to go through a competition. Once every year, we send representatives, students who have been learning for the past 1 year. We send them to go and compete. The reason for competition is to test out your knowledge with others, right? Go and see what others are doing with this thing. There are people learning in different capacities. Why not go and rub minds with them, collaborate, and find out what's different and how can you be better, right? That's number one. So when you're done with the competition, you come back, and then the next thing is you immediately are enrolled into what we call a junior internship. During the junior internship, we have junior internship partners, which are real life companies where we'll attach the learners to, and they go to those real life companies and they work for the period of 1 month. This is how a course is completed. At the end of the junior internship, they will come and present a project, just like the process that goes in a university. You study a course, you go for IT, and then you come back and present a project, to prove that you have learned. It's until then that we can give you a certificate of learning to certify and to back you up to say you are fully learned For parents that are asking, the 1 year program usually starts in October, so you have a lot of time to prepare. And by October, once we say it is time to go, you are ready to run, because you know that at the end of a year, you have something to look forward to.